Welcome to the Old Farts Fix-It Corner. You guessed it, I'm the Old Fart. What the Fix-It Corner is all about is me sharing with you some of the tricks and the things that I learned and the experience that I got through 20 plus years in the construction business to help you fix some of the things at home and save some money by doing it yourself. So let's look at the next project. In the next project, we are going to customize and install kitchen cabinets in an existing kitchen. The new cabinets are a collection of unfinished oak face cabinets. I will post the project in a series so that each video won't be too long and you will be able to go back and review each step of the project. I will try to make the title of each segment descriptive and post them in somewhat of a chronological order of the whole project. So this one is the introduction and the next one will be sanding and staining.